Here's the news of the day. Wisk Aero has signed an MOU with Airservices Australia to integrate autonomous air taxis into Australia's airspace, focusing on safety and airspace management for future AAM services. BAE Systems delivered 400 missile warning systems to the US Army, enhancing helicopter defense with advanced threat detection and countermeasures. Toho Air Service and Mitsui Bussan Aerospace have ordered a new Leonardo AW139 helicopter to enhance commuter services between Tokyo and the Izu Islands, with delivery set for 2025. Bell Textron appointed Japan General Aviation Service as the authorized Bell 505 reseller in Japan, aiming to expand the model's presence in the region with JGAS's expertise. BAE Systems won a $460 million US Army contract to supply advanced multi-mode radios, enhancing secure communications on rotary-wing aircraft for mission-critical use. H2Fly appoints Ralph Muller as CEO, with the founder Dr. Joseph Callow transitioning to CTO as the company advances hydrogen-electric aviation technology for sustainable flight. J-Oil Mills has developed SAF components from non-edible Calophyllum indicum seeds, while Dining Innovation partners to convert restaurant waste oil into sustainable aviation fuel. Terviva has secured an investment from Chevron Renewable Energy Group to scale Pongamia cultivation for renewable fuels, aiming to meet the rising demand for sustainable biofuels. Juniper has cancelled its Skyfuel H2 project in Sweden due to high costs and regulatory uncertainties, ending plans to produce eSAF that would meet 10% of Sweden's aviation fuel demand. Power2, X and Advario are building Europe's largest eSAF facility in Rotterdam, aiming to produce 250,000 tons of sustainable aviation fuel annually by 2030. To learn more, follow us now on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.